Meanwhile, President Bola Tinubu on Thursday held a closed-door meeting with the 14th Emir of Kano and former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Lamido Sanusi, at the State House. Sanusi's visit is the first since the president assumed office, and it comes barely 1 week after the president suspended Godwin Emefiele as the CBN governor. Sanusi served as CBN governor from June 2009 to June 2014, when Emefiele took over from him.
The president and I are old friends. He's my brother. We've been friends since his first term as governor of Lagos State when I was a banker. And I have not seen him since the elections. I wanted to give him time to settle down. So the first reason was to come and congratulate him formally. But also I wear many caps. I wear the cap of an economist. So I came to thank him for the steps he has taken to put this economy on course. As you know, many of the issues that we have been talking about, the subsidy that has caused a hemorrhage on the fiscus, the multiple exchange rate regimes, and so on. These are issues that I have personally been talking about for a long time. And I'm happy that on his very first day, he has addressed these issues and the markets are happy. And it is important when the government does the right thing for us to give them feedback. It's not always when they do a wrong thing that you complain. So he has started on such a strong footing as far as the economy is concerned that we have to come and support and encourage that we continue along that path and be advocates for the policies he has pursued.
Hello. Hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.